Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to make ranking questions on Google Forms. So if you're working on Google Forms and if you want to make a ranking question, follow this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So for example, I'm here in Google Forms and I've created a blank form and I'm creating this from the scratch. So what do we need to do? We need to come here and click on multiple choice grid. Now you can see the question that I have asked is the best movies ranked of Quentin Tarantino. Now this is for all the movie buffs. You can also write a description here if you want to write, if you want to make it more easily understanding for the other person, for the person, reviewing or responding this question right here. So once when you've done the description, you can write the question here, which QT movie is the best according to you? And here you can write the names. Let's add more rows. For example, let's have 4 of his films and we can add more columns. So there are 4 names, 4 rows and 4 columns. Later on, I'll tell you how does this work, but we have to rank it according to the rankings 1 to 4, 1 meaning the best and 4 meaning the lowest. And we can also turn this on, require a response in each row. And in order that one movie is not ranked twice or 2 movies are not ranked, number 1, what can we do to protect us? We can click on these 3 dots right here and then limit to 1 response per column. So this will make sure that only one movie is ranked once. So that's for the protection. And here we can write the names. For example, let me just write the names. So here you go. I have written uh, these 4 uh, movies and ranked 4 columns. So what do we need to do now? We can just click here. We're almost done. We can click here on preview. And here you go. This is our question based on rankings. We can rank, movie. For example, I will rank Once Upon a Time in Hollywood as 4, Reservoir Dogs is 3, Pulp Fiction is 2, and The Hateful Eight as 1, because this is my favorite movie. And we can click on submit. And once we click on submit, we'll be able to submit the form. But this is how we actually create a ranking question. So that was the gist. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.